Fishing here, guys. Good morning. Bless up yourself. Yeah, man. I'm sure you guys seen that last video that I did some lure fishing and hit that barra. Exciting catch, guys. I hope I can get another one like that for you soon. It's nothing planned. It's never planned, and it's unexpected. And like I said, you never know when you're gonna hold that big one, guys. And that was definitely exciting. Even now, my adrenaline is still pumping from that catch. Loved it, enjoyed every second of it. All right, guys, but big up yourself, guys. Welcome back to the channel again. And on my way to work this morning, and I'm actually heading out of town today, but on my way, or on my way back more like it, I'm gonna stop and I'm gonna drop off something to one of our viewers. Not only one of our viewers, but an article you that takes me around in his area. Me and him go on adventures. We catch fish. We do all kinds of stuff together, and it's like you when we rate for a long time, because he met me a couple of years back, and ever since we met, we've just kept the link and linked up and kept on communicating. Even till now, we still do. Today, guys, I'm passing by him today again, and I am going to surprise the heck out of this kid. Definitely surprise him today. All right, guys, we're going to surprise him today. And I'm going to actually give him my original Jamaican shore fishing lure rod. So, he loves lure fishing, guys. I tell you this, he does. He enjoys the heck out of it. And he does pretty good. He's pretty lucky. Compared to me, this kid is off the chain. He's good. So why not give him a start? All right. So Jamaican shore fishing is going to drive all the way out there, link up with him. I mean, not drive all the way out, we'll be passing by him on Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. Just picked up my boy Geo. We're about to hit up a fishing spot, but as you guys know, I have upgraded my lure rod to a newer lure rod. It's like, this is my original lure rod, people. My Plushino and my Shakespeare light. And as a token of appreciation, yo, I'm gonna give this to Geo. This is Geo's new rod. You know what I'm saying? So Geo, see a new lure rod, load with nylon and everything, boss. And we're about to go throw some line out this piece and see what we can pick up. Big up on yourself, stay tuned and see what we can pick up. Line service.